As our choir team will lead us through the hymns, we are now opening the floor for viewing. Please be mindful, don't cut any lines because it's really difficult for us to manage since we have very congested areas. We'd like to ask the people who are standing in the back first to come through that way and make a circle around and then go from this way out. And we don't want anyone to standing over there while we are opening up the floor because it's really hard for us to manage the traffic. And then the center room who are sitting here, they will go next, and then this room, and finally this room from the back so that we can give the last time for the family members to view. Thank you all.
Hallelujah.